Hi there guys, welcome back to NATO Ellie.
It's not NATO Ellie, it's Tornado Ellie.
Oh. Well. Triple threat.
Triple threat.
Yep.
Okay.
Who are you?
Ooh, I'm getting nice and toasty and warm. Okay, where are you, Zachary?
I see you.
Where? Oh, Zach, what are you doing, mate? Have you got the key?
No.
It's over here.
Over here again. Where?
I think we're dead, Zach.
Who are you?
I might eat a burger then.
When I get warm near the fire. Yeah. Who are you? That's a bad idea. What are you doing?
3. Let's jump over here, buddy. Do you want to hide in the fireplace?
Yeah.
Remember the time I got stuck in the fireplace wall? That was a little bit alarming.
Yeah.
Very scary, Zachary.
Yeah.
If we perish, we perish, right?
Yes.
Do you know what perish means?
Die.
Well done, buddy.
Don't do it. Well.
Well, this tornado isn't. Where is it?
Outside. Coming. Hide. Okay. Very close to this building. Yeah. Pretty close. Go yeah, 5 out there.
What are you doing, Zach?
Looking outside.
Oh, well, that was easy. We survived that. So now it's what? The lava flood, Zach. Zach, the lava flood, buddy. The lava flood.
The highest point is the church.
Okay, we'll go there then.
The church not even broken.
No, I don't think that was a very intense.
Go.
Nothing broken. Oh, I guess it is a little bit. But...
Got a EF5 and a EF4 and a EF001.
Was it?
Yeah.
Well, here we are. Let's see what happens.
Right. Whoa, dude! And I got paralyzed. Is that person jumping on me? Well, okay, lava flood. Yep.
Where are you, Zach?
On top of your head. Sorry.
Why is it all lit up like that?
I don't know. Let's see the Atom Town again. Who's that dude running? There's a lava. Let me do it. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Kind of standing on someone's head.
Yeah. It's rising. The tree going to disappear there.
You got the golden coil?
Yeah.
Has the church disappeared? Not yet.
No.
Okay.
Still standing.
Someone just wrote
Whoa!
coil people can survive the flood.
Bye-bye. About standing on top of those trees. Goodbye. I'm back in.
What's going on?
It's a pretty high one.
Yeah. Is there anything of the church left of the church?
Yeah. A bit, but yeah, still standing.
Is it still rising or going down? It's going down now.
Nothing in the church. How many pills survive the lava flood?
Interesting.
Let's open
I think a
these
few might have.
presents. I'm going to open these presents.
Where's the presents?
In the church.
There.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.
I wonder if I can... I'm actually moving. I wonder if I can slide off the roof. If I just keep pressing this.
Probably not. Bye. Hey, what's this, Kawayuki?
Aww. How do I do that?
You go to your coil.
Seriously.